Hi everyone, this is Grade 4 Qatar History. Unit 1 is about the ancient history of Qatar and the Arabian Gulf region. For this week, we will be continuing with Lesson 1, or the importance of the Arabian Gulf region in ancient times. So let's review the Arab states of the Gulf region. Arabian Gulf region is composed of the following countries: Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, and Qatar. We also talked about the prehistoric timeline. You have the Paleolithic age or the Old Stone Age, wherein ancient people used old stone tools of rough edges for their hunting and gathering. Next, you have the Neolithic age or the New Stone Age, wherein the old stone tools were replaced with more sophisticated ones. Last is the Bronze Age, under the Metal Ages, wherein the bronze metal alloy was used in making tools and weapons. And this was also the time wherein certain civilizations have already settled. So what is the importance of the Arabian Gulf in ancient times? The Arabian Gulf region was important in the economic aspect, the strategic aspect, and civilizational aspect of history. So let's talk about each one by one. First is the strategic importance. So when we say strategic importance, we mean the key impact of a certain place or location and what it has played and how important certain places have been during historical events. So the Arabian Gulf region is located in the middle of the Old World. Old World means Asia, Africa, and Europe. So this unique location gave it a strategic importance. So it is surrounded by civilizations it can interact with. Next is the economic importance. So it was an important trade route during the ancient times. Most trade ships used this route to transport goods between the lands of the ancient civilizations in the east. Merchants did business with each other, and the Gulf region was one of their trade centers. Last is the civilizational importance. When we say civilization, we mean a society with high level of culture, industry, and government. So the Arabian Gulf region has always been the link between the world's civilizations. It was also the origin of some other ancient, inveterated, or established civilizations like the Delman, Mahan, and the Anar civilizations. So we know Delman civilization to be the trade center of the ancient Persian Gulf. And also it's now composed of modern-day Bahrain, Qatar, and Kuwait. In the Arabian Peninsula Map, we can pinpoint Delman civilization over here, southwest of the Arabian Gulf. Next, we have the Mahan civilization, which was the source of copper for ancient Mesopotamia. So it can be found in the Gulf of Oman. Last is the Anar civilization, which is the counterpart of modern-day United Arab Emirates and Oman. Take a look at these pictures of ancient or historical sites and artifacts of the Delman, the Anar, and the Mahan civilizations. You can pause the video to take a closer look. So let's study about the location of the Arabian Gulf region. Why did we say that it had strategic, economic, and civilizational importance? It's because it's located at the center of the Old World. It's surrounded by civilizations from Europe, Asia, and Africa. And also it's surrounded by bodies of water, with Indian Ocean just at the south of it. So it had become an important trade route for these civilizations. So let's study about the trade routes. Merchants or traders from the Far East go straight to the Gulf of Oman, to the Arabian Gulf, so they could trade with civilizations in the Arabian Peninsula before going to civilizations in the Mediterranean. They also used land routes in what is now modern-day Yemen, modern-day Saudi Arabia, towards the Mediterranean. And they also made use of the Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea. They also had trading partners to the east of Africa, and they passed through the south of the Indian Ocean. Let's remember the following points: that the Arabian Gulf region was the link between the most important civilizations in the ancient world, including the Ubaidite civilization, Delman, Mahan, and Anar cultures. The Arabian Gulf region also has had great strategic and cultural importance since ancient times. It was also a place for learning. And the location of the Arabian Gulf had been economically important as a trade route since early times. Tune in for more information on this lesson. See you in the next video.